Hey guys, back again with another great tutorial on Jasper AI, the greatest AI writer on the internet. If you're a SEO or you're a marketer or you're a small business owner, you don't have time to write, all right? You need sales. You need sales. You need a writer, okay? And this is the writer for you. On the dashboard right here, you can see your credits. Jasper charges per credit. Jasper has two pricing plans which you can check out on your own. One is the starter plan and the other is the boss plan. All right. In the boss plan, there are more features which I'll show later on. But in the starter plan, they have excellent features like paragraph generator, the ADA framework, the pass, the product, all right, creative story, explain like a child, Facebook. I mean, anything, just, you're in e-commerce, you want to do Amazon, you're an Instagrammer, it's all right here. It's all right here, okay? We're gonna stick to real estate because we did that the other day, and we're gonna plug in this listing. So say you're an SEO and you're doing a real estate listing, or you're a realtor and you just don't have time to, write out the investment highlights, or you're just not a good writer. You don't feel like you're competent. All right. You can plug in the listing, the address, all right here, and generate AI content. Right here is how many outputs you want, all right? We want 4, we want 5, we're gonna stick to 3. We're gonna press generate AI content, and we get an output. This is a rare opportunity to own a 4-unit apartment building in the heart of downtown. This historic building has been completely renovated, and each unit features stainless steel appliance. I mean, this is amazing. It just is absolutely amazing. Every time I see this, it uses machine learning, very advanced AI to write amazing content just for you. Look, we just got a listing that just came in. A local Las Vegas realtor just gave me a listing which I can use because I want to show you the power of this function, which you can find in Jasper. All right, we're gonna go back to this listing, and this listing is 11280 Granite Ridge Drive. All right, 3-bed. We're gonna take this information: 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 2,000. All right, square feet. We're gonna take the about, and we're gonna drag all that information here, which I already did. All right. We're gonna create the blog post intro paragraph. How did I do that? I took the first sentence, okay, copy, paste the first sentence right into here, the blog post title, keep the audience professional, tone of voice, professional, all right, and generate AI content. While that's going, we're gonna go to blog post outline because we're gonna create an outline, which are gonna be our H2s probably, right? For all you SEOs out there. Blog post outline, again, luxury condo in Guard Gated Ridges community, keep it professional, and we're gonna create the AI content. We're gonna go back here to see, look at what we got. Ridges is one of the most exclusive. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. This is just unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I like this one, and I'm gonna star it. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna open a new text, and I'm gonna paste that right there because I might change some things. I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm gonna copy this information because this is gonna be our H2s, right? This is gonna be our H2s. So it generated an outline for our blog, because eventually, where's this all going? We're gonna create, our Facebook post, and that's gonna lead to our landing page. And we can create our blog post, right? Which goes to Facebook and it goes to LinkedIn. And we're gonna optimize here for SEO. So these, the one becomes our H2. This becomes the H2, maybe H3 later on, and we can, change the phone number, of course. But look at that. It created, this blog outline right out of the gate. It's just absolutely amazing. It can do much more, like conclusions. It can expand on sentences, create creative titles, create creative sentences. It's just absolutely amazing what Jasper can do. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, can you please like and subscribe? It would be very, very helpful. Thank you so much again. Bye.